afternoon. Audrey, I have a friend here on my lap. Do you know who that is? This is Clifford, the big red dog. Thought we would read a couple Clifford stories today. Would you like to do open, close them? Open, close them. Open, close them. Give a little. Open, close them. Open, close them. Keep them in your lap. Let's read this one today. Clifford Saves the Birds. Our author is Norman Birdwell, and he also does the pictures. I think you might have this book. Our neighbors didn't like Clifford, but they did like birds. One day, Clifford saw people working in the front of the neighbor's house. Clifford watched. There's Clifford. Clifford could see into the neighbor's yard. Oh no, the birds were in trouble. Meow, meow. Clifford picked up a water pipe and took a deep breath. He pulled the cat right out of the yard. That was a very surprised cat. Now the neighbors liked Clifford as much as they liked birds, because Clifford saved the birds from the cat. And that's that. This one is Clifford and the Bears. This is Clifford's owner, Emily Elizabeth, and let's count the bears. 1, 2, 3. I bet there'll be 3 bears. Author and illustrator, Norman Birdwell. Last month, I went camping with Mommy and Daddy. I found some new playmates, 2 baby bears. I was having so much fun, I didn't see Mama Bear. I don't think Mama Bear is very happy. She didn't want strangers to play with her babies. She growled. I was in trouble. Then I heard a louder growl. Guess who was growling? I think it might be Clifford. Mama Bear was surprised. Clifford's so big. She even forgot her babies. I told Clifford that Mama Bear was only protecting her children. So good old Clifford took the baby bears back to Mama Bear. They rode on Clifford's nose up into the tree with their Mama Bear. Then he took us all back to the camp. Clifford and I would like to say goodbye. Love you.